Shiba Inu coins are appealing to some investors because they provide the opportunity for quick gains. However, you can also lose all of your money in a matter of seconds. Welcome back to Crypto Fox. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
Memes have value and have been an investable thesis in 2021. Jonathan Cheeseman, head of the institutional sales at crypto derivatives exchange FTX, told Bloomberg of Shiba Inu coin's rise. Tokens with lower dollar values are appealing to retailers. Rumors that it will soon be added to the popular trading platform Robinhood have also boosted the market. While Robinhood is yet to respond, its CEO Vladimir Tenev stated earlier last week that the platform will carefully evaluate whether we can add new coins in a way that is safe for customers and in line with regulatory requirements. It doesn't take much to move the Shiba Inu market. Earlier in October, its price increased solely due to Elon Musk tweeting a picture of his puppy. Musk has admitted that he doesn't own any Shiba Inu coin, but he does own Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Marie Tetiboue, chief marketing officer of crypto exchange Gate.io, recently said she expects the Shiba frenzy to die down. "I do see some correction coming in the near term as the hype fades," she said. Jordan McCreary, a founding partner at Ingrained Media, is far more optimistic. "I believe Shiba has the potential to grow from a fraction of a cent to 1 cent or higher," he said. According to Don Guo, CEO of the fintech firm Broctagon, Shiba Inu will find it difficult to reach $1. A market capitalization of $1 quadrillion is required for SHIB to reach $1, he said. By comparison, the total U.S. national debt is $23.3 trillion, and even that staggering sum represents less than 3% of the amount required for SHIB to reach that price point. Given current trends, Shiba is more likely to stay in its ballpark of less than a fraction of a cent. People invest at their own risk, and no financial authority regulates cryptocurrencies. All cryptocurrency investments are risky, and meme coins like Shiba Inu are especially volatile, and you should expect to lose everything you invest. Investing in crypto assets or investments and lending linked to them generally involves taking very high risks with investors' money, the Financial Conduct Authority warned in January. Consumers should be prepared to lose all of their money if they invest in these types of products. Hargreave Lansdowne's Susanna Streeter, senior investment and market analyst, previously explained the risks associated with cryptocurrencies. Aside from being extremely volatile, most cryptocurrencies are unregulated, which not only adds another layer of uncertainty, but also means that investors have little or no protection, she said. The recent trading frenzy over Shiba Inu, commonly referred to as a meme or joke coin, has recently catapulted the canine-themed cryptocurrency into the top 10 most valuable digital assets by market value, surpassing its cousin and obvious inspiration, Dogecoin. Shiba was up by 10% in midday Monday, November 1st, and had more than doubled in value in the previous week. The majority of that gain occurred in a flurry of trading last Wednesday, when it increased by a whopping 66%. Despite its recent meteoric rise, it's up about 900% in the last month. Each Shiba Inu coin costs only a fraction of a cent. If you purchased $1,000 in Shiba late in September, your 20 million coins are now worth around $9,000. Shiba, like most cryptocurrencies, isn't commonly used for commercial transactions and is regarded as a high-risk, speculative bet by most experts and investors due to the broader volatility of the crypto market. Experts warn investors to be wary of investing in something with anonymous leadership that appears to have little functional use. Lee Reiners, a vocal cryptocurrency skeptic, teaches fintech and cryptocurrency classes at Duke University School of Law. Reiners stated that Shiba's recent increase doesn't surprise him. This is what happens when there's a lot of speculation in assets that have no intrinsic value, he explained. This story might sound familiar to investors. Bitcoin's value has doubled twice this year, with a sharp drop in between, and it now sells for more than $60,000 per coin. Among stocks, GameStop outperformed Shiba, rising from around $17 per share in early January to $483 later that month. It has recently traded consistently around $180. While Shiba is the current hot cryptocurrency, it's not yet available for trading through more traditional brokers. A Change.org petition with over 450,000 signatures now is urging the mobile trading app Robinhood to begin accepting Shiba trades. Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies can currently be traded on Robinhood. Stronger regulation of the crypto market appears unavoidable, but it's unclear when this will occur. Gary Gensler, the chairman of the United States SEC, stated in August that the world of cryptocurrency lacks adequate investor protection, comparing it to the Wild West. It's unclear whether the recent surges in Shiba and other digital assets are being driven by a lack of regulation. What appears to be clear, however, is that retail investors, the little guys, are leading the way. According to Kyle Waters, a research analyst at the blockchain data and analytics firm Coinmetrics, the median Shiba trade size on that busy Wednesday was $115. According to Waters, this is highly suggestive that the typical Shiba trader on Coinbase is a small retail trader. Shiba's rise is comparable to Dogecoin's rise in the spring, when it caught fire and jumped from around 5 cents to 57 cents between April 7th and May 7th. Shiba, like many other cryptocurrencies, is shrouded in mystery. The token was created in 2020 by an anonymous person or group known as Ryoshi, according to its white paper, or wolf paper in this case. The paper, which explains how Shiba and its offspring work, is also peppered with lofty but ambiguous platitudes about community, freedom, revolution, and destroying traditional paradigms. Altcoins like Shiba Inu are primarily community-based, which means that their success is largely dependent on the success and growth of their community rather than their utility. In its white paper, the creator of the Shiba Inu token refers to it as an experiment in decentralized, spontaneous community building. According to Caitlin Cook, the head of community at crypto asset management tech company OnRamp Invest, the growth of both Shiba Inu and Dogecoin can be attributed largely to its supporters hyping them up. A lot of the time, it's the power of the people who are amplifying it that drives the performance, she says. Celebrity supporters include billionaire Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX and Tesla. Musk frequently tweets about various cryptocurrencies, which appears to have influenced their prices. Throughout 2021, Shiba Inu appeared to jump a few times after Musk repeatedly tweeted images of his Shiba Inu puppy. However, Musk clarified on October 24th that he doesn't own any Shiba Inu tokens and only owns Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin. However, Cook believes that the current surge is so much community-driven and that any token or coin out there has the opportunity to run up like this if someone with a big microphone is amplifying it. However, the fact that these tokens are so susceptible to price swings based on who's talking about them contributes significantly to the risk of investing in them. Cook describes Dogecoin and Shiba Inu as speculative bets. They're not long-term investments for most people. And most people probably wouldn't have a long-term thesis for why they'd hold them for a long time. She explains that this is because they're viewed as bets on a community rather than a technology. There's no marketable product. Experts warn that investing in cryptocurrency can result in the loss of your entire investment. Regardless of which cryptocurrency you choose, they generally recommend that you only invest what you can afford to lose. Altcoins, on the other hand, may necessitate extra caution due to differences in structure, supply, and utility from something like Bitcoin. Despite the recent surge in Shiba, there's been a fair amount of volatility this year. Because of the numerous factors influencing Shiba Inu prices, it's difficult to predict how they'll change in the future. This includes global regulatory crackdowns, comments from high-profile individuals, and other developments. Shiba Inu's value skyrocketed in May after Binance announced that it would list the coin on its crypto platform. Its value also increased in September after it became available on Coinbase. This means that if it's successfully listed on other well-known platforms such as eToro, the price could rise even further. However, as we've seen in recent months, cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile, with values changing in the blink of an eye. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Perfect. That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.